Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, USD CHF. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Swiss franc for 10th March 2021. So this analysis is for 10th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.9289. Okay, this is the current market price, and we can see that market was a beautiful uptrend while market was making higher highs. And you can see I have also drawn a trend line here, and market is following the trend line. Okay, and market is following the trend line. That's the best part. And you can see market has just taken support at the trend line and almost about to go up. Okay, so you can buy. Okay. Yes, yes, this place looks very good. Stochastic RSI also in the oversold zone. So if market respects the trend line, then there is a high possibility that market will go up. And if you want to wait for some time, and if you are looking for a more safer position, okay, then you can wait for the market to cross this line 0.9321. Okay, you can wait for the market to cross it. Once market crosses this level, you can enter, or you can also wait for the market to cross this level 0.9372. Okay, once market crosses this level, then you can be sure that okay, market has crossed the previous high. Okay, but as I always say, okay, confirmation is important, so just wait for 1 hour. Okay, wait for 1 hour, let the resistance become the support, and after that also, if you see that market is trading comfortably, market is very comfortable enough above the resistance, then go ahead and buy. And so this can be your huh this can be your entry as well. This line is your first entry, this blue line is your second entry, and the current market position, okay, at the 9292 can be your entry right now. Okay, in case market in case market slips from here, or in case market falls from here, okay, then your stop loss will be hit. Okay, okay, your one trade may go wrong, but this kind of a setup will always make you money in the long run. Okay, out of 100 trades, 25 to 30 trades may go wrong, but in 70 trades you will be making good money in this kind of a setup. Okay, so for me, okay, for me this is a good position to execute the trade. Okay. And if you want a safe position, I have already mentioned you can wait for the blue line to cross, okay, 93, this level, or you can wait for the green line to cross. Okay, otherwise for me this is a very good position to execute the trade. So this is a simple analysis of USD CHF or USD Swiss franc for 10th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of the other currency pairs. So that's it. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow, and please do subscribe. Thank you.